Hey e-learners, this is Mr. Frates. I'm here with you again. You're seeing all the stuff's changing on the screen, but that's because we didn't start at the right spot. All right, so this is the first presentation we're going to go over today, the introduction to the periodic table. And on this presentation, there are some slides down here at the bottom, slide number 14, that you're going to have to type in answers to. So basically the question is element, compound, or mixture. You just click on this type answer here and tell me if you think this is an element, compound, or mixture. All right, so that's the first thing we're going to be doing in the slides today for class. The second thing we're going to do is we're going to be going to this presentation, and let me get it back to the right point where I want it to be. When you click on it, you see this purple presentation. This is more specific about how elements are arranged on the periodic table. The slide that you're going to have to pay close attention to is over here, slide number 12. And we're going to, in class, be coloring our paper periodic tables to match the metals, metalloids, and nonmetals diagram here. But you guys have an electronic form of that diagram, and you're going to be doing it electronically at home on the Google. So what you're going to be doing is you want to color in. So let's look back here. Nonmetals are light green, metalloids are purple, and metals are yellow. So we're going to just start with hydrogen because that's a nice easy one. That's a nonmetal. And you don't have to use green. You can use whatever color you want. So I'm going to go over here. I'm going to click Insert Shape. Here we go. And then you draw your little block around hydrogen. And notice when you do that, it comes in with fill of white. It doesn't mean you deleted that hydrogen. So then what you're going to have to do is you need to go change your fill color. So this is your fill color. You're going to click on that. All right, you're going to click on green. And then I actually just go back in and click on Custom. And down here you have your transparency button. And then I'm going to make it more transparent. And then you just click OK. And then all of a sudden you can see, oh, okay, that's going to be the nonmetal hydrogen. So let's say you have your next set. Let's look back here. All of these have to be yellow. These are all metals. So then what do you do for the metals? Let's go back to our thing. You're going to do the same thing. You're going to insert a shape. All right, there's this. Draw your big long rectangle around these guys. Okay, and then you can go through and get your fill color fixed. So they were using yellow. We can use yellow too. Yellow, but oh, it's like, oh, I can't see through it. So then go down here to your custom and then adjust the transparency again. And then you click OK. So that could be your non-metals. I'm sorry. Yeah, these are your metals. This could be part of your metals. And then you would just go through and draw your little shapes in. The other option you could do if you didn't want to color it all in, let's see. I believe you could do an insert shape. And then from there, it didn't get inserted, sorry, my bad. Insert shape. If you just want to do an outline, right, so like let's say you just want to do an outline around this area. So what you would do is you would go through and set this to transparent, and then there should be an outline button. Shapes, border color. You would go to your border color, and then since this is a nominal, you could put a yellow border around it. And then you click that off there. You see you have a little yellow border around it. So you could also do it like that. Either or is acceptable by me. It's whatever your tastes are artistically. So have fun, enjoy doing this, and that's where we're going to probably end class today, is just finishing off with that. All right, if you have any questions, remember you guys put them in the comments, and you can also chat them to me on the chat box today in class, or you can email me. All right, have a great day. Thanks. Bye, guys.